New challenge. Okay, here we go. Right arm up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now turn the other way. Come out underhand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, here we go. And out, 2, 3, 4, and release. And out, 2, 3, 4, release. Out, 2, 3, 4, release. 4, out, 2, 3, 4, release. 5, out, 2, 3, 4, release. 6, out, 2, 3, 4, release. 7, out, 2, 3, 4, release. 8, out, 2, 3, 4, release. 9, out, 2, 3, 4, release. And last one, out, 2, 3, 4, release. Arm up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we're going to turn to overhand and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wait, I skipped the middle. I'm sorry. I skipped the bottom. I'm sorry. Let's start again. Okay, palm back. 1, 2, 3. Flip it to the waist. 1, 2, 3. L up. 1, 2, 3. Reach up tall. Grab your left wrist. Stretch to the right. 3, 2, 1. Back to vertical and down and back. 1, 2, 3. Flip to the waist. 1, 2, 3. Fold it up. L. 1, 2, 3. Reach up and stretch. Grab your right wrist. Bend to the left. 3, 2, 1. Back up to vertical. Down and back. 1, 2, 3. Flip to the waist. 1, 2, 3. Bend it up. L. 1, 2, 3. Stretch it up tall. Grab your left wrist. Bend to the right. 3, 2, 1. Back to vertical. Down and back. 1, 2, 3. Flip to the waist. 1, 2, 3. Bend it up. L. 1, 2, 3. Stretch up tall. Grab your right wrist. Bend to the left. 3, 2, 1. Back up to vertical and down and back. 3, 2, 1. Flip to the waist. 3, 2, 1. Bend up. L. 3, 2, 1. Reach up tall. Grab the left wrist. Stretch to the right. 3, 2, 1. Back up tall. Grab your right wrist. Stretch left. 3, 2, 1. Back up tall. Now we'll fold over. Hang it out. Stretch out your back. And when you're ready, roll up, vertebra by vertebra, back to standing. And right arm up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to turn to underhand and go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now swivel right, back to the left, 2 to the right, and then left. Go 3 and left, 4 and left, 5, 2 more, 6 and 7 left.